Hey guys, Grant Gould here, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. Today we're going to bring you something extremely special. This is going to be the Sanibel 3202. Now, of course, this is a fiberglass unit, a metal frame. You have the new entry steps, electric awning, outdoor marine grade speakers, huge pass-through storage, and of course the auto level. Everybody needs that. But we'll go on the inside and we'll check this thing out. This is one of your most beautiful units on the entire lot. If you notice, the big double door fridge with the deep freezer and the regular freezer. So you have both for whatever you need. Of course, you have the 3-burner cooktop with the oven, big flat screen TV and sound bar, whisper quiet ACs, guys. We can talk just like this and you're not even gonna hear it. Big couch with a pull-out bed, 2 rocking recliners. These things lay flat and they are super, super comfortable. 4 chairs and a dinette. Big old island in the middle. The ladies love that. But we'll go up toward the front of the unit. If you look to the left, you have the beautiful style shower with the bathroom in it. Tons of room on the toilet. Huge master bedroom. Yes, that's a king. You see it correctly. That's a king bed with a massive closet. Guys, it does not get much better than this unit right here. The 3202 Sanibel is the unit that you and your family have been looking for. Y'all come see us. We're at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. I'm Grant Gould, and before we go, I'd like to show y'all this price. Guys, if you look here, we got it at $64,359 with 75 cents. We got it docked right now, $19,364 to give you $44,995. But if it couldn't get better than that, I've even cut it a little more for you, $41,995 for the 2020 Sanibel 3202 wide body, $41,995. You're not gonna get a better deal than this. Come see us at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. Again, I'm Grant Gould. I'd love to meet you, and I'll see y'all soon. Thank you.